In this guide, you will learn how to digitally sign a PDF with the use of DigieSign. Here's a single window dashboard that gives you full access to all DigieSign features in one place. To initiate the eSignature flow, click on the Start button. You will now have two options to choose from. First option is, I am the only signer, which allows you to upload your document and sign it immediately. The second option, Multiple Signatories, enables you to effortlessly send and track signatures for multiple signers. Now let's proceed with Multiple Signatories. Click on Proceed button. Now upload your chosen document for electronic signature. Next, click on Proceed. Add multiple recipients to receive the document for signing. Enter the name of the first recipient. Click the plus sign to add the second recipient. Enter the second recipient's name. Now the email address. You can assign specific roles to recipients such as sign or approve. You can set an expiration date for the request, meaning it will become invalid after a specified period. The validity period can be configured to be the same or different for each recipient, according to your requirement. Select the date. Choose the time. Click on Apply button. Next, click on the Proceed button. Next, add the placeholder for recipient 1. Click on the signature, then drag and drop it onto the document where you need to sign. Now select the second recipient. Simply drag and drop the signature field followed by the date field. Additionally, you can select from a variety of other fields, including initials, name, mobile number, and email. For the final step, please click on the Proceed button. Click on the Finish button. Now the document has been successfully sent to both recipients. Click on the View Dashboard section. Access the dashboard. Please confirm that the document has been successfully sent. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will guide you through the process of signing the documents.